Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Umar Siddiq Abidin. So I will present my purpose as title is mining social media post of societal talk for prediction and topic modeling. And there's my name. Okay, I'm from CS25958. And my supervisor is Dr. Rohaila binti Maske. So this content in this presentation is for chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. Chapter 1 for the introduction and literature review and proceed to chapter 3, which is research methodology. So that is for chapter 1, introduction. So for the background studies, social networks have become a medium where all users can express their thought, behaviors, intention, feelings from positive to the negative. So this is the medium where people what we call that say to the reveal their what they are feeling in the social media. So and for the every year, approximately 100,000 people commit suicide, with many more attempting suicide. So these for this society strategy affect families, societies, and nation. And actually, for this project's aims is to predict the suicidal ideation contained in social media posts, besides to know the topic that being talking about within a suicidal ideation community. So this is for problem statement where most users of social networks express their suicidal thought in their social media, and they tend to express their suicidal ideation in social media rather than they seek to the psychiatrist or expert for help. And it is a very concern where the increasing rate of suicidal ideation is become increased, uprising, and there is one research said that when the COVID-19 hit the world, so this is a very where the suicidal is very starting to uprise. So this is a research question and for the research objective. So how to know if on social media posts consist of suicidal talk and what are the topics that being speaks to suicidal ideation community in social networks. So what the objective is to predict the suicidality ideation detection on social media posts and to determine what topics that involve suicidal ideation in social media posts via topic modeling. So this is scope, which are media English, social media posts, and then for the lexical negative word in English will be utilized, and for the ready data from Society Watch Community Retrieve for Kaggle Open Data Set. So this is significance, which to know the top for the text mining to know the topics related to suicidal thought from social media posts can help to understand underlying triggers behind this suicidal thought. And from help from psychiatrists or counselor can be engaged prior to any actual suicide takes place. And for the last, it's you can predict the content of someone in the social media user that consists of suicidal ideation that being concerned about. So I proceed with chapter 2, literature review. So the domain of this project is suicide, which is suicide ideation, but the biggest topic is suicide. So suicide means ending your own life. When someone thinks they want to end their life or someone want to escape from the pain, and so they took opportunities to suicide or take their own life. But the suicidal ideation is a subtopic of the suicidal topics, which is ideation or thought. They about considering planning to end their life. Not they end their life, but just think like just what we call that. Oh, I want to commit suicide, just like that. So this is not like depression. Like depression, little bit difference where they need to have verify from the expert. This is depression, but suicidation is just what they said about how I want to die, like just something like that. So this is the AI technique that I found, which is some use naive bias and support vector machine and deep learning. So this is three machine learning AI machine learning technique, AI technique. Usually most researchers of found in articles they use for detecting suicidality and like prediction on ideation detection. But there is the same domain, but if different domain, they sometimes like predict the weather or there's something predict like I found like predict something else, but the different domain. And there is one AI technique that for topic modeling that researchers also use and very compared to this, which is LDA, latent direct allocation. So this is an example of topic model in used to classify text and document to a particular topic. So this is a technique that used to topic modeling. which I found in the research found that they use LDA in later on we will proceed in related works. We will see that I will explain about a bit research about related work they use in LDA, say deep learning, SVM, and so on bias. So this is related work, so it's a visual learning. There is three therefore. Like first is for the machine learning, they use are using with supervision deep learning, classify clinical notes for identification current suicidal ideation. So the technique they use is SVM, naive bias, and logistic regression CNN. So the result is CNN is better. And also there is a machine learning about suicidal ideation, the same domain also. And there is a different technique they use, but the outcome, which is the multi-layer perceptron SVM, is to give the best prediction. And also for the last one is they use for SVM also, they use SVM to predict the dementia. This is for medicine domain. So SVM achieve better performance through statistical analysis accuracy and good precision. And for the topic modeling also, there is the different domain they use, which is vaccine reaction in Twitters. So they use LDA, MALLET, and also DMM. So the result is DMM model is the most best result in compared to the technique that it being used, the model technique they use. And the title and the others is also we can see in 2021 they use topic modeling in health related tweets and emails. They use tweets and email, and but the domain is health related tweets. So the result on that Twitter LDA is obtained the best result. So the last one is for novel approach, and they use LDA topic modeling to ascertain different topics from suicidal posts. So the last topic is methodology. So this is phases, which is preliminary study into the documentation. Okay, so the first methodology that's for the first is first objective, which is the preliminary study. So this is for chapter 1 where maybe in chapter 1. Okay, yes, in chapter 1 where the deliverable is started project, background study, problem statement. So these are from the starting of my proposed from proposed project. And then the second phases is actually in chapter 2. Okay, where the literature review will be deliverable, and also the information about my domain, and also the domain that I want to do, what domain that I have decide with my SV, and also the technique found in the article. Okay, so these third phases still in the same objective, which is the data collection. So the data collection actually found in Kaggle of data open data set, but actually it scraped the data for Reddit, which is community called Suicide Watch. They from 2006 until updated recently also. I think last month they update about suicidal ideation post. Okay, so then the data pre-processing will be after the collection of data. Yes, of course we need to clean the data, and then after the clean data, we will do modeling and evaluation. This is where the prediction of the suicidal ideation from the suicidal post, which result accuracy prediction. This is the deliverable result accuracy prediction on suicidal ideation. I propose I want to use the SVM technique for the prediction idea suicidal ideation. Okay, so this methodology, this architecture, which is data creation from Reddit, actually from Kaggle, but they get from Reddit. And then after the data collection cleaning also, and then we do modeling and evaluation. So this I will use SVM, train and testing the data set, and finally is for topic modeling where I use LDA, and topics document frequency of words. This is where the outcome will come. And then lastly is documentation, like the final year report. This is my Gantt chart from preliminary study into the last is documentation. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.